Somebody found some blackberries. Yeah, we're kayaking, and the best blackberries are at the lake where we're kayaking. Oh my gosh. You see those? They're thick. They're everywhere, and they got all the water they want. So they are gorgeous. Look at those blackberries. Oh, we love to come and graze upon the blackberries. That's like one of our most favorite pastimes when we go kayaking. Is we find a good if we got find a good spot with blackberries. Okay, it's on, man. I tell you. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, check it out. Yeah, we don't waste no time with that. Talk about good. All right, we'll talk to you later. I'm going to stuff my mouth. Bye-bye.